Do you remember what any of the mothers said when they were asked, when Father Smith asked, what their reaction was to their sons going with you to Adelaide?
I can't remember actually their reactions, because most of their excitement was when they were talking to Father. And of course, he just passed the message on to me. But that, he said, naturally, they are delighted. The mothers were delighted, and they said they'd be pleased to let the boys come with us, because we felt we'd look after them carefully. So Father then had to select the boys, and that wasn't a very hard thing to do. And the mothers agreed. He said, whatever suggestion made, they'd do exactly as he said. So everyone was happy. Mothers and boys, and of course we were delighted.